What's up, everyone? Welcome back to AA Stock Talk. Today I'm here with something just real simple that involves investing, and that is setting those entry points. As an investor, it's just, well, for me personally, um, entry points limit losses. And I like to limit as much risk as possible. And I also like to buy all my stocks at a bargain price at a discount. And so I develop all these entry points on all my stocks. And so let's just take one of my stocks for example. I'm invested in Cronos, the stock ticker Cron. And so my average price is $8. Cronos hit a 52-week high a couple months ago, which was like $25. And so I talk about cannabis stocks on Instagram. So I use Cronos as an example. I posted Cronos on my Instagram of how it shot up. It was up like over 100%. And so, like, as an outsider looking in, you see a stock that just shot up so much. And so now you feel as though you should jump in on a stock when it's trading at a premium, because in your mind you're thinking like, okay, I could probably see those same returns, or I could make, some money. I can make a lot of money off this stock if I just buy in right now, which is a big no-no because it's trading at a premium. And so let's just say you did hop in when the stock was on when the stock was at its 52-week high, and you start to see the price start to drop. You panicking because you see these losses. And for me, I came in at $8, so I'm cool, calm, and collected. But you panic and you sell out. And the consequence of that is you just didn't scout the stock. You didn't have an entry point. As an investor, as me being invested in Cronos, I have entry points. Now that I done saw Chrono hit his 52-week high, I set an entry point from anywhere from 13, I say, to 17. That's my range. When Cron enters that, when it comes into that buy territory, to me that's a discount. That's a big discount. I'm not gonna go into the details of why I still believe in Cron, but just know cash is king, and they have a boatload of cash. But anyway, I just wanted to just share this video, just letting people know to set up those buy entry points, because I like to limit losses. Nobody likes to take a big loss. And so I'm all about safeguarding. I'm all about limiting as much risk as possible, and I'm all about buying at a discount, buying on a bargain. And I will preach those two things. Those two things will save you a lot of money. My name is Tommy. Make sure to like and subscribe if you like this video. You can find me at Cannabis Stock Talk on Instagram. Also follow my business partner at Stocks with Leah. Yeah, share this video.